Oh, what was that sound?
Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the True Outdoors. I made a video in like 2 weeks. We took a little week off, but we're back. With all 4 of us.
Yeah, all 4 of us. That's like crazy.
That hasn't happened since like October.
Yeah, I know.
We're not at Bert. That's a surprise. We're at Bert Flynn. Shout out Bert Flynn for this park. Yeah, let's just get right into it. We're gonna hit up Black Dog or something first. Let's go.
Okay, we have Garrett in the front, Abe second, Andrew third, Cam fourth.
Yeah, Cameron. Let's get it.
Holy mud. Holy piss!
Oh, sending it.
Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah, go, 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 go!
Yeah! Let's go! Ow, why'd that hurt? Hit it, bro! Oh, what was that sound? That's your seat. That's your seat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Holy piss!
I'm not doing that with my feet.
Bruh.
Waiting for your attention. Go ahead.
I'm piecing it. Yo, glizzy fart! I'm gonna do it, bro! I'm cracked! That was low-key scary. It's gonna high up. Keep pedaling, my guy! Hey! Holy! I just sent that. You could jump that, Cam. It's kind of steep.
yo, you're ruining my KOM.
Come on, Glitzy,
Oh
fight.
my
Can you get
gosh,
that
dude,
angle?
I'm scared. But I got
Do
this. Easy.
Whoa, that's bouncy. That's bouncy.
You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this.
Slippery, bro. I felt my back tire completely skid on that.
Yeah.
This. Hey, puppy. That's nasty. Oh, a little cross country in here. Oh, scared me a little bit, not gonna lie. I think we're still on stars. I don't know. Bro, you're messing me up, bro. My KLM's ruined. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you're scaring the f out. Oh, sneezy.
Holy.
I'm right behind you, cameras. I'm coming right behind you. Oh!
He's cracked! He's cracked! Oh my!
Nice.
Okay, what's up, boys? We're here at North Stars. Of course, never rode this one either. All these are first time trails, but nothing we can do but just end it. All right, let's go, boys. Give each other some space because they're all pretty tight. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh God, I don't know which way to go. Okay, this way apparently. Fuck, I don't know where the other way goes. Oh. Holy. Hopefully we're going in the right place, because I don't know. Climb. A lot of little climbs. Oh. Kidding me? How the hell am I supposed to get up this?
Yo, Andrew, let me go in first. In front. Yo, snooze. Andrew. Whatever. That tool.
Pretty bouncy. Oh, bridges. And that was about it for a little bridge here. It's a very tight. Holy shit. This section is
Hey!
G, let's go. Who's
that was horrible.
to send it down. Wait, are you recording?
Yeah.
Yo, what trail?
It's called Home Run.
Home run.
That's the trail.
Baseball trail.
Again, yeah, baseball. We never hit this trail, like every trail.
Beep beep! Bit of tech. Holy shit. I'm gonna have to offload that.
Yeah, it was fun.
I bet it was, but bro, you have to be going like full out to get Get those jumps.
Oh, far.
Oh, you just made me step on them.
Oh! Oh, I'm so mighty.
Slow down, you crazy child. You're so ambitious for a juvenile. But then if you're so smart, tell me, why are you still so afraid?